For over 40 years, Endoline Machinery Limited has been at the forefront of end-of-line packaging solutions, designing, manufacturing and installing high-quality machinery that powers industries worldwide. Starting as a small family-run business, Endoline has grown and evolved into a global leader, ensuring we keep the same philosophy and dedication to customer needs as we did from day one. Endoline's comprehensive range of machinery includes case erectors, sealers, automated case packers and robotic palletizers. All systems are designed to deliver unparalleled quality, performance and reliability. What sets Endoline apart is our commitment to providing high-quality systems that are simple to maintain with low cost of ownership. All this across a wide range of applications ensure a quick positive return on investment for every customer. A tried and tested design philosophy ensures that every machine meets the highest standards of quality and performance, and we're constantly innovating, keeping pace with customers' ever-changing demands. At Endoline, we understand that every business is unique. That's why our team of specialists works with you from concept through to design. We listen carefully to your needs, challenges and budget to deliver a solution that's right for you. Our project division ensures that the build process runs smoothly, and quality and testing departments rigorously check each machine before it's delivered. We will always invite you to carry out a full factory acceptance test to ensure your system meets your exact specifications. Our service and install teams ensure seamless installation, and we provide comprehensive training for your operators and engineers. We also have a dedicated after-sales support team on hand to assist with any technical issues, spare parts and ongoing maintenance. By choosing Endoline, you're partnering with a market leader that's been delivering packaging solutions worldwide for over 40 years. Contact us today to learn how we can help streamline your packaging operations.